Modern warfare is changing, evolving, relentless. To stay ahead, acquisition must speed up. We must accelerate. Adaptation isn't optional. It's essential. Here's how we change. We'll keep what works, fix what doesn't, value outcomes over process, empower leaders, own decisions, remove silos, learn and adjust. We'll be quicker, from idea to impact. This is a shift in method and mindset. We're turning speed into strength, fast into firepower. We're taking bold action to ensure our soldiers have what they need when they need it, to secure our freedom, to defend, to fight, to win.